Alright, we're back. So, here we go again. Playing this shit-tastic fest of a game. 50 games played in plug and play. Holy shit. This thing's getting bad. You know, unfortunately you can't see my face, so I wish you did. I'm just saying, what the fuck is wrong with this? This thing is so bad. I'm not kidding. This thing is so bad. Holy shit, it's bad. Okay, number 21, the lawn jump. Yep. Oh, what the fuck I was expecting? Come on. This thing is shit. Absolute shit. Number 22. What wonderful music. This music's just innovating. This thing just wants to piss me off. Holy shit. Another game crash. More game crashes. This is worse than Action 52. Job. What the? I didn't push the motherfucking button. Fuck! Come on. No. No. You know what? I'm just gonna skip it. Just get number 4. Get this thing done more efficiently. And what the fuck I was expecting. $44. There's a guy gonna hit the gong. What the heck? 100,000? Holy sh... And it's another goddamn... What the... fuck? Another game. No. 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 That's about it. I can review this piece of shit. Fuck this game. This thing is getting shittier. I shit you not, this thing is getting shittier. This thing is even worse than Action 52. This is even worse than anything I ever played. Anyone who has any courtesy, do not play this thing. Do not play this thing at all. Don't even start to play this game. It's gonna get worse and it's gonna get worse. Holy shit, this thing is bad. I got this for free. I think I can get the games on this tablet for free, and it's probably a lot better condition than this. There's nothing I can say. It's that bad. It started off just being tossed games. Started off with I can get to 50 games. Now I can't get to review every 50 of these games. Screw this game. Screw it. Forget it. Don't even play it. Don't even start playing it. This thing sucks. Period. This is the worst thing I ever seen. At all. And I'm gonna stop. You know what? This game, it's bad. And I'm serious. I'm serious. This thing is so bad. I'm not gonna be joking about it. It is so bad. So bad.
Want the other answer?
Yes.
Flavor.
Cherry and grape.
Grape. Where's the grape? Where are you, cherry?
Oh God, this thing is so bad. It is so bad. I can say there's that jetliner heart that I heard that there's that heart game one, and I mean this thing is so bad. I can't believe I got this for free. Who bought this? I want to know. Whoever bought this, you are so unfortunate. Or maybe you got something that's actually functional. But I played this and it was when it was functional. Holy sh! This thing is bad. Every time I try to get some progress, to get through all these 50 games, it gets worse. Oh my gosh, it got worse. This thing is worse than the Action 52. This is worse than all of these 50... I'm not saying all of these 50 games. This thing is worse. It got bad to worse to worse to worse. This thing is worse than the Action 52. This is worse than Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. I can't find anything worse than this. There's nothing that describes how bad this thing. This is so bad. You notice I started doing the reset button over and over again. This game. And I'm done.